We are going to discuss one problem which is come in IIT JEE 2011. The problem is written on the board. The problem is let alpha and beta be the roots of this equation with alpha more than beta, and if an is equal to alpha raised to the power n minus beta raised to the power n for n greater than or equal to 1, then we have to find the value of a10 minus 2a8 upon 2a9 is. Okay. Now see, the problem is actually based on recurrence formula. Okay, so how do we apply the recurrence formula on this kind of problem? See, alpha is the root of this equation, so I'm writing the solution. So alpha will satisfy the equation, the given equation. Therefore I have alpha square is equal to 6 alpha plus 2, and similarly I have beta square is equal to 6 beta plus 2, because alpha and beta both are the roots of the equation. And now, because I want to introduce alpha raised to the power n and beta raised to the power n, therefore what I do here, I multiply both the sides by alpha raised to the power n minus 2. Okay, so I get alpha raised to the power n is equal to 6 into alpha raised to the power n minus 1 plus twice of alpha raised to the power n minus 2. Similarly here also I do the same thing. Beta raised to the power n is equal to 6 into beta raised to the power n minus 1 plus twice of beta raised to the power n minus 2. Since an is representing alpha raised to the power n minus beta raised to the power n, okay, so we subtract the second equation from the first equation. Okay, so I get alpha raised to the power n minus beta raised to the power n is equal to 6 into alpha raised to the power n minus 1 minus beta raised to the power n minus 1 plus twice alpha raised to the power n minus 2 minus beta raised to the power n minus 2. Right? Now this is represented by an, so therefore I have an is equal to 6 into an minus 1 plus twice of an minus 2. This is the recurrence formula we have derived here. Now if you see what is to be required, then it is simple, a very simple application of the use of the recurrence formula. Okay, just simply put n is equal to 10. Okay, so therefore by putting n is equal to 10, I have a10 is equal to 6 into a9 plus 2 into a8, and therefore slightly simplification, a little bit of simplification, a10 minus twice of a8 is equal to 6a9. I'll take twice of a9 there down, so I get here 3, and this is the answer. See how beautifully we can solve the problem, and it's a very simple problem. Okay.